Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the ACE salt system chlorine generator cell. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, channel locking pliers, wire cutters, and duct tape. Parts you will need: 76078 ACE chlorine generator cell. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Drain the spa. Step 3. Remove the equipment door and the IQ 2020 control box lid. Step 4. Disconnect the ACE cell from the ACE controller. Step 5. Remove the filter compartment lid. Remove the cell from the filter and loosen the nut. Step 6. Cut the old ACE cell cord inside the filter compartment. Step 7. Install the new ACE chlorine generator cell. Step 8. Connect the cut end of the old cord to the two connectors on the new cord with duct tape. Step 9. Pull the cords through the conduit. Step 10. Remove the tape and plug the cell into the generator. Step 11. Cover the O-ring with silicone grease and install the nut. Tighten it with channel locking pliers. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.